Article 12. Circumstances which exempt a person from criminal liability. The following are exempt from criminal liability. Number 1. An imbecile or an insane person unless the latter committed during a lucid interval. When the imbecile or an insane person committed an act which defines the law as a felony or delito, the court shall order his confinement in one of the hospitals or asylum established for persons thus afflicted. He shall not be permitted to live without first obtaining the permission of the same by the same court. Number 2. A person under 9 years of age. Number 3. A person under 9 years of age and a person over 9 years of age and under 15, unless he has acted with discernment, in which case such minor shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provision of Article 80 in this code. When the minor are judged to be criminally irresponsible, the court, in conformity with the preceded in the next paragraph, he shall be committed by the care and custody of his family, who shall be in charge of his surveillance and education. Otherwise he shall be committed to some institution or person mentioned in the Article 80. Number 4. Any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, causes an injury by merely accident without fault or intention of causing it. Number 5. Any person who act under the compulsion of irresistible force. Number 6. Any person who act under the impulsion of any person who act under the uncontrollable fear and equal or greater injury. Number 7. Any person who act in a lawful which prevented by some lawful or insuperable cause.